London in Airbus A330-900. As you guys can see, it's gonna be like they said 6-hour ride from taking off to touchdown. If you know what I mean by that. Separate video on that landing video. I know guys can't see, it's not the best at night, but it's mainly for lighting purposes. You know, my camera's not the brightest, but as you guys can see, this is an A330 plane, which means it has a 4x2, which means I have 4 seats in the middle and 2 seats on the sides. And the last plane was much worse. It was much narrower. It was tiny compared to this, and it was also Delta. As you can see, this is Far Rockaway, I'm pretty sure. And you know, we flew on a CRJ-900. That thing, I hated it because no screen. It was so basic. It's like going back into the 1980s, to be honest, though. Let's see what we're at. Let's see what it says. I'm gonna show you guys. So it says that we are heading south, shows here, and I'm just going to give you information. 6 hours and 3 minutes till touchdown. And as you guys can see, beautiful view, and we are heading east right now, which is really cool. This is the Atlantic Ocean. We're going to pass by New England on the way to London. Suburbs, not so much lighting going on. Urban areas like New York City, you get a lot of it. Posted a video this evening on me trying the tomato soup and chicken with rice. So I wanted to give you a little bit more information about it. So I think the rice and chicken were cooked actually really well. It was pretty hot, which was a good sign. But yeah, the tomato soup